Alright, hello everyone. So today we're going to be testing an AC adapter using a multimeter. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to check the voltage down here on the adapter. And then you're going to want to make sure that your adapter is plugged in. So hold on, let me plug this in. So on the multimeter, the red means positive, the black means negative. So once you do that, you're gonna take the red, stick it onto the tip of the adapter, turn the adapter to V, or not the adapter, but turn the multimeter to V, and then take the black part right here and then put it at the tip, and then as you can see, it changes. And that lets you know that the adapter is working. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video.